Our next door deficiency is called damaged surface. This pertains to holes in doors, paint issues like peeling paint or no paint, rust issues, and broken glass. The basic deficiency definition says you see damage to the door surface that may affect either the surface protection or the strength of the door, or may compromise building security. There is no level 1. Level 2 says one door has a hole or holes with a diameter ranging from 1/4 of 1 inch to 1 inch. Level 3 says one door has a hole or holes larger than 1 inch in diameter, significant peeling paint, cracking paint, no paint, or rust that affects the integrity of the door surface, or broken or missing glass. Or, continuing the level 3 definition, one entry door, bathroom or restroom door, fire door or emergency exit door has a hole or holes with a diameter ranging from 1/4 of 1 inch to 1 inch. In considering door surface damage, it's important to realize that the surface of the door is not just the front and back faces of the doors, but it also includes the edges of the door. It's also important to understand that holes that were made intentionally to accommodate some sort of hardware are considered damage if they're no longer used. In the example picture shown here, there are some screw holes where a deadbolt has been changed and the new deadbolt did not match the same screw pattern. There's also a hole down towards the bottom of the picture that was originally intended to accommodate latching hardware. Whenever hardware has been removed but a hole is left behind, that is considered surface damage. So, in this example picture, we have an example of a building exterior door with a damaged surface, level 3. This is an entry door. Our level 3 definition said that an entry door, bathroom or restroom door, a fire door or emergency exit door has a hole or holes with a diameter ranging from 1/4 inch to 1 inch. And again, this does include holes left behind due to the removal of hardware. The same holds true for unit doors. A 1/4 inch hole in a unit door would be called unit doors, damaged surface level 3. In addition to holes, we must also consider the finish or paint or varnish on the face of the door. If a door were unpainted or unfinished, this would also be level 3 surface damage. In this example photo, we have the door to a mechanical area. This is a fire-rated door, and it has some deep gouges or scrapes at the edges of the door, and this would represent a hole in the door. Holes are not always round. They don't always penetrate completely through, and anything like a deep gouge or a worn area can be considered a hole. Therefore, this door also being a fire-rated door with a hole larger than 1/4 inch, this would be considered level 3 surface damage. Doors are expected to have a protective finish. In this example, we have what was once a beautiful new steel door with a clean coat of gray primer ready to be painted. Having never been painted, it's now an ugly old rusty door with a level 3 defect. In fact, it would have represented a level 3 surface damage defect even when it was brand new because of the lack of paint or varnish. Having no protective finish, it met the level 3 criteria, which includes no paint. Primer, by the way, is not paint. That's why it's called primer instead of being called paint. Primer prepares or primes the metal door to accept paint. It is not a weatherproof finish. Protect your investment by painting new doors immediately when they are installed. An unpainted door, whether rusty or not, would be called damaged surface level 3.